I'm from Gombe State, the northeastern Nigeria. Today we are here in Abuja to sensitize Nigerians on the importance of calling the former president, Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, not only aspiring, not only vying, but we are calling on the Nigerian President Buhari, and the National Working Committee under the distinguished leadership of Senator Dr. Abdullahi Adamu, Sarkin Yakin Kefi, to adopt Goodluck Ebele Jonathan as the consensus candidate for the betterment of this country. We have seen what he has done in the last 6 years when he was steering the affairs and piloting the affairs of this country. We need him most. We need him at this crucial time because Nigeria needs to be united, and we believe he will be the only person that will unite this country so that he will take us to the promised land, to where we ought to be and where we should be in this country.
We wonder why this, because in the first place, Jonathan did not submit his form. 2, he did not go through screening. So I don't know the magic you are expecting that should be done for him to be part of this panel or being a consensus candidate.
Mr. President has made it clear that as far as the governors of this country are concerned, they have adopted their own concept of bringing their successors. So they should also allow him to bring his own successor. That is why we want at this juncture that Mr. President should bring in Jonathan as a consensus candidate. Not only a candidate, if he becomes a candidate for the APC, he is going to fly the ticket. So at this very crucial time, we think amongst the contestants or the candidate or the aspirants, he is the only person that we so much believe that when given another time or another chance to lead this country, he will lead us very well. You know, he has done that in 6 years that he has been on the affairs of the country.
The Jonathan you are calling for has never declared to be a member of the All Progressives Congress. And secondly, he has never one day said he is ready to run for presidency again. What information have you that you are calling in, as you are calling on the leadership of the party to endorse him?
It's not compulsory to do all these things. As far as we are concerned, and as Nigerians, I think we have the mandate to actually ask him to do what we are even doing today. The Constitution did not actually, disallow us not to do the questions you are asking. But we, as far as we are concerned, over 200 million Nigerians, they will be the one to decide. So we have chosen the path that if Jonathan is the consensus candidate, I believe you me, he will fly the ticket and APC will win the election convincingly.
To answer my question, Jonathan is a member of the Democratic Party. Why don't you take this protest to PDP instead of the other?
Jonathan is a member of APC.
Since when?
He's a member of APC.
Since when?
He's a member of APC.
Since when?
I am Honorable Temple Esinfaberea. I'm Honorable Temple Esinfaberea, a Nigerian. Yes, I want Goodluck Jonathan to come as president of Nigeria because he has shown himself, he has proved himself a formidable leader. Because at the time he was president, he cut across every sector of life in Nigeria. In terms of employment, all federal parastatals recruited. In terms of education, as you can understand, ASU strike happened even at this period, but he was able to tackle it. Not just only in the federal universities, but all the state universities. Like, let me put Nasarawa State University as a case study. If you go to Nasarawa State University now, all the formidable, all the magnificent buildings you will see there are buildings being done by TED Fund. You understand? And it was as a result of Goodluck Jonathan's regime that all that took place. So we want him back. Like even in the north, I haven't got to understand that the Almajiri issue is beginning to become a menace. He was able to create Almajiri school in order for these people to be educated. You understand? So we want him back as president of Nigeria. Thank you.
Sorry.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.